Hello, my name is Naseem Idarain, and I am an undergraduate student at Arizona State University.
Hi there, I'm Bassam Al-Asali, and I'm also an undergraduate student at Arizona State University.
Today, we'll be presenting on a webpage we put together to improve tracking of the COVID-19 virus based on key metrics by U.S. state and Arizona counties. In order to get ahead of the COVID-19 pandemic, it is important for researchers to monitor, inform, and predict the spread of the virus, as well as assess the preparedness of healthcare systems. This is challenging when there is a large volume of data, and especially when that data is continuously being updated. In order to achieve this, a website was created to assist the Arizona Department of Health Services Predictive Modeling Task Force in order to provide them with comprehensive and up-to-date data from all 50 states and the Arizona counties.
We started by gathering data from all of the state health department websites and other related sites in order to compile a list of comprehensive data sources. We noticed the COVID tracking project was a main source for many websites, and after cross-referencing with the state health department data, it proved to be accurate and reliable. A website we found, Politico, had a tracker set up with the COVID tracking project's data, but they do further analysis to calculate the number of tests since last week. The web crawler gathers data from Politico about new tests since last week, since Politico doesn't have it readily available. Data from the COVID tracking project was downloaded in CSV format and merged with Politico's extracted data using Python Pandas library locally. Python was also used to create bar graph visualizations using the data. A React app was then developed to display the data on a website with the aid of specific React packages. The website also contains up-to-date Arizona County data by embedding the latest information sources from the County Department of Health websites. The website is updated manually on a daily basis to provide the most comprehensive and up-to-date data. Our result is an elegant interface and website at uscovid.today that displays all this information along with a collection of the latest county reports in Arizona on the View Arizona Data webpage. The data in the table can be copied and pasted into Microsoft Excel for quick analysis, or the data is also available in CSV format at the bottom of the webpage for if someone wants to copy and save it as a CSV file, then import it into a coding environment.
In order to maximize COVID-19 pandemic response efforts, it is necessary to streamline the data extraction by serial data extraction from trusted online sources. Many states and reporting organizations are missing important data such as COVID hospitalizations, bed capacity, and ICU admissions. This website provides more complete information than many other public organizational dashboards, but it can be improved with regards to its automation and utility.
Some limitations were the lack of standardized data and the lack of security certificates on some of the county websites, which resulted in a lack of security validation for our domain when viewing the Arizona County Data webpage. Another limitation is the lack of complete automation, which makes updating the data on a daily basis a required task.
Here's our QR codes for both the website and our manually collected data, which was used to verify the website data at the time of creation. Now we will provide a brief demo of our webpage.
Here's our homepage with the table updated at the time posted. Next, we list out our website content for a brief overview of what the website includes. We have our summary graphs as we described earlier, and below that is our data table, which includes the data from every state and their individually updated time from the data source. Followed by that are the US COVID hospitalizations by age dashboard from the CDC and the Arizona COVID data dashboard from the Arizona Department of Health website. Finally, at the bottom, we have our data in comma-separated values.
Then we have our second webpage, which displays Arizona County information. As Bassam explained in the limitations, once the webpage loads, the HTML anchors pull the scroll down to the referenced websites. Clicking on the Back to the Top button and navigating this page by pressing the county buttons is the easiest way to view this information. Thank you for being here today. If you have any questions, Bassam and I will be happy to answer them in the discussion board.